Hey there. Video2Page helps you quickly transform video and audio content into well-organized web pages, tutorials, or blog posts. This tool is perfect for content creators, businesses, and educators who need to repurpose video materials efficiently. When you come to our first page, you can use either a YouTube upload or a manual upload, file upload, or you can record directly inside the browser. I have here a knitting tutorial. Let's try it now. After the sign up, everything starts already. And we can already start choosing. So in Video2Page, we have several content types. We focus on blogging, on content creation, on educational content, and bare transcription. So for example, in blogging, we have long-form blog posts, listicles, how-to guides, case studies, and so on. The content creation part has also similar items, and education is more focused on a multi-page course for tutorials. And we have bare transcriptions or video digest. So if you put some video in, you want to know everything about it, you can use a video digest. In this tutorial that I uploaded, it's basically a knitting tutorial. So we will just hit the how-to guide as a blog post. If it would be a more sophisticated tutorial, we could take this tutorial course, which would create multiple pages. But in this case, we will just select the how-to guide. And as you can see, it first extracts the header image. Then we will see soon the title that gets generated, and also the individual sections. So it outlines all the content first, and after it has all the outlines, it will start generating each content piece or each section individually. What you will also notice is that each section is very dynamic in how it's structured. So you can see it's not a regular blog post. It's a really beautiful one with list items, with focus on step by step, with some quotes. We have also here some links, and we have the points, like the time frame steps, where we can jump to the video. What you can also see is that the tool automatically inserts images into your blog post. So here, for example, we see a screenshot. Here we see one, and at the end we see also one, also with nice links. Now, if you want to change something, you can go to the editor, and here you will see all the outlines. You will see the tools that were used to generate the section. So for example, for the introduction, let's look again in the preview. Here, the introduction, we used a how-to guide. Here, materials needed. We also used a how-to guide for the casting stitches and so on. As you can see also, we extracted, or the tool extracted the quotes that might be relevant, and it extracted the outline. So basically outline in the sub-outlines, right? You can also see that the AI assistant responded with the creation of the whole process. So that's an important part to mention, is that the AI tool, like the AI assistant, did all the work. So if you don't like anything about this, you can just start talking to the AI and request changes. What you can also see is that we recognize the language and the tone. And if you want to change that, we can just do that just by writing it manually out and hit save. Then the whole content will get regenerated. We can also change the full template, and then this will regenerate the whole page. It will create a new outline, it will create new sections, and so on. We have a summary here that summarizes the content that we have here. We have SRT that you can download. That's basically a subtitle file. We have the full transcription. And yeah, that's basically it. Now what you can do is you can manually change all the contents, or as I said, you can ask the AI to do so. You can use just typing, or you can start describing it using your voice. So for example, you can see conclusion and next steps, and we can say, for the conclusion, please make the generator a conclusion and remove the quote. So now we send it, and we will see that the AI immediately turned this conclusion to the conclusion generator, and it removed the quote. So now the AI behind this content piece will not output a quote anymore. Now we need to still hit the generate button here, but we can go to the preview already. And if we scroll down, you will see that the conclusion and steps is getting generated right now. Now if we hit edit section, we will see just the conclusion content, which we can edit here. For example, we can change the image here. We can go to the gallery and for example, either this or that or this, or we can simply select screenshots directly. So we can, for example, take this screenshot here because this seems to be like the website of the owner. And a nice thing is here that we can also crop it, and we can edit the image by making it, for example, like a 101 or 43, see, and give it a little bit of padding And the colors could be more like what we have in the image. So now it fits more the style. And we can give it also a nice border radius. Hit the Save Changes and Save Image. So now you have a nice fitting image for the conclusion. In the end, you can also share the content publicly. So you can hit here the Show Video, you can make it public, you can also hide branding, and you can define the SEO title and SEO description, but in general they are there. You can also add your custom logo. When you hit Generate Link, the AI will then generate a public link that you can share with others. Let's hit Open. So now you can see that we have here this nice content page, the blog basically, that describes all your content. And you can also jump to the specific points. So if you watch the video, you can go directly to certain areas. For example, here we have the tips maintaining tension and control. If we hit that, you will see that we will jump to the right spot. Cool. If you have any questions, you can hit here this button and send us a message directly, or you can watch the other tutorials that we are recording soon. Have fun. Cheers.